This is a crochet card pouch we're making today. The puff stitch gives it this cute, puffy texture that I really love. It's compact, easy to carry, and finished with a zipper on top. I am using 4-ply milk cotton yarn, crocheting it double-stranded with a 4mm hook. Let's dive in. Slip knot to start. Make a foundation chain of 34. Next, we will make a round of single crochet to create a base for the pouch. The round starts with chain 1 as a turning chain, which does not count as a stitch. Then, make 2 single crochets into the first chain. Next, continue by working 1 single crochet in each chain. When you reach the last chain, make 3 single crochets to create a corner. Now, we are at the opposite side of the foundation chain. Continue working 1 single crochet in each chain. To finish this round, crochet 1 single crochet into the first chain, joining with the 2 starting single crochets to form another corner. Join the round with a slip stitch. For the next rounds, we are going to alternate 2 patterns. First, let's see the pattern round A. Chain 1 to begin. And work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then, skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, we are making 3 puff stitches. Let's start the first one. Yarn over and hook goes in. Then, yarn over and pull through. Repeat that 2 more times. To finish, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. 1 puff stitch is complete like this. Chain 1 to start making the second one. Chain 1 to make the third one. We can see the 3 puff stitches are separated by 2 chains. Let's watch the pattern one more time. Skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. And skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, work 1 puff stitch first. Chain 1 to work another puff stitch. And chain 1 to work the last puff stitch. Repeat this pattern around. Join the round with a slip stitch. Pattern round A is complete. And now, let's see how to work pattern round B on top of it. Chain 2 to start. First, work 1 double crochet on top of the single crochet of the previous round. And chain 1. Then, work 1 single crochet in the chain space between the 2 puff stitches. Chain 1. And work 1 single crochet in the other chain space. Followed by chain 1. Let's watch the pattern one more time. First, work 1 double crochet on top of the single crochet of the previous round. And chain 1. Then, work 1 single crochet in the chain space between the 2 puff stitches. Chain 1. And work 1 single crochet in the other chain space. Followed by chain 1. Repeat this pattern around. Join the round with a slip stitch. Pattern round B is complete, and the next round should be round A on top of round B. Chain 1 to begin. First, work 1 single crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous round. Then, find the chain space between 2 single crochets of the previous round. Work 3 puff stitches separated by 2 chains. The first puff stitch. Chain 1. The second. Chain 1. And the third. Repeat the pattern around. 1 single crochet on top of the double crochet. In chain space between 2 single crochets, it's 3 puff stitches separated by 2 chains. Join the round with a slip stitch. By this point, we have seen how to work pattern round A and round B. Now, simply alternate between round A and round B until you reach the desired height. Just a reminder, the final round should be round A, where we will crochet single crochets along the edge to finish. Chain 1 to start edging. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch and chain space. Join the round with a slip stitch. A single round of single crochet feels a bit too light for this pattern, so we'll go ahead and crochet one more round. Chain 1 to start and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Join the round with a slip stitch. Fasten off. Conceal the yarn end into the inner side. Finally, sew the zipper neatly along the last round of single crochet stitches. one side finished, and stitch the other side on. That completes our crochet card pouch. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and that you enjoyed learning the puff stitch pattern. Thank you for watching.